Now you go to talk to people for insurance product.
Different ways और न्यू चैनल्स की जो मेरे माइंड में ब्लॉक था, तो मैं किसी को बोलता ही नहीं था कि भाई तुम्हारा बैलेंस शीट दिखाओ, क्या करूँ.
Now you can ask for it, and based on that you can advise, and that may be very beneficial.
प्रैक्टिकल पेपर्स पे होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, ना कि वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मेरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट प्ले करता है कि मुझे इनके पास से एटलीस्ट एट द एंड कुछ अमाउंट मिलने वाला है.
So you will ask now when you will talk. Also, please give me your balance sheet so that I can rightly advise you. That's very great achievement. Good. Thanks for sharing that.
And always जैसे यहाँ पे एक सीखा है कि पास से मेरा फ्यूचर कनेक्ट नहीं होता है, बट आज यहाँ से मेरी लाइफ को इनकम कैसे और ग्रो करना है वो तो मैं अपने आप में श्योर कर सकता हूँ, लाइक सेटिंग ऑफ माई न्यू गोल्स. एंड इन एनी सिचुएशन मैं अपने बिग गोल्स को जैसे कि मैं उसको छोड़ नहीं सकता. छोटे एरियाज में काम करने से मैं अपना बिग जो पर्पस है उसको मैं नहीं छोड़ सकता. स्मॉल इश्यूज विल बी टेकन केयर. लास्ट टाइम भी मैं हेजिटेंस था कि मैं नहीं जाऊंगा. इवन येस्टरडे का यहाँ पे जब तक कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ तब तक मैं शाहपुर जाने के लिए रेडी नहीं था. तो वो चीज़ भी तो मेरे लिए एक नया एक्सपीरियंस, लर्निंग
What?
कि यहाँ से डिटैच होने से बहुत सारा चीज़ नया आने के लिए ओपन अप हो जाता है.
कहाँ से detachment?
Family responsibility, business.
So you are saying detachment, that is what you have learned.
Yes.
Okay. Basically, there is a distinction in attachment versus commitment.
हाँ.
Attachment में result नहीं है, commitment में result है.
वन मोर थिंग कि आज मैं बहुत रिलैक्स हूँ कि मैं अगर सुबह भी आना है, क्योंकि पता है 10 बजे निकलना है, 10 बजे वहाँ पे पहुँचना है, मैं आराम से समझ. इन द मॉर्निंग सेशन वहाँ पे ये हो गया कि कंपल्सरीली आपको 3 days का सेशन, मतलब यू आर ऑन अ ट्रेनिंग टू लर्न मोर थिंग. उतना टाइम मेरा और ज़्यादा यहाँ पे यूज हो सकता है, ना कि वेस्टेज आने जाने का ट्रैवल.
So you were saying this 9 to 9 that we are planning, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You are saying that is good in town when you are planning. Okay, that is your feedback. We got it. Thank you. Yes, madam.
So for me, I never had understood and attempted this kind of accounting. It was a great breakthrough for me because I came to know how this is presented, and for self, for family, for organization and for nation. This is a very important aspect, that whatever you plan has two aspects, income and expenditure.
What do I plan?
Right, I plan for the nation, for my purpose, everywhere, that resources which are needed can really be seen thoroughly and transparently when we group them under income and expenditure. So this is what I learned here today, that for a company, how do we lead a company? Now when we say India develop, or when I say I have to get a safe India, probably what are the various ways of looking at the project, where I will get income because I need to spend somewhere, and how will I spend so that my income and expenditure, my balance sheet, how will I create assets so that my future generation will be able to use that asset. So all this learning about finance, which was absolutely absent, and now this will help me to focus on my maqsad or purpose in a better way.
So you are saying that crime-free society or safe society, like this is a project. Now, suppose you are running a campaign for that, making awareness to people. Suppose this is the project. Then there are expenses, and where from the income will come. So income and expenses, and then what will be the asset during the process?
Correct.
What will be the liabilities?
Correct.
We will be present to that while running this project. Sir?
Another level of integrity. Today I was sitting here, and then while accounting I started remembering there are two things that I have not done. My PPF is not on this year. I have to go and pay. And my LIC is due next month. I have not made that check and committed to pay, which I have to go and do from Tuesday. These are the two things. And the learning is very simple. Increase my integrity level and be on my purpose of being an expression of, be the change what I want to cause, and constantly changing it and bringing myself into a higher level of integrity. That's my absolute purpose.
What is the purpose?
Taking people to the purpose.
Supporting people to get on their purpose. And in this, how you are applying the financial management?
Being an integrity completely. Being transparent. Being clear. Live by now. My balance sheet is open. There is no liability, only asset. It's there. Nothing as a burden for the world to take care of or handle after I go. No one needs to pay anything.
Debt free, you are saying?
Absolutely.
Debt free, you are saying? Debt free. No need to pay. No one. Okay.
So I am an asset to myself, no liability to nobody. And if each one of us are managing this nation is full of asset. The fiscal policy will not have deficit financing, it will all have asset management.
So what is that which you have learned today?
No.
This, because integrity you know already.
See,
Transparency,
integrity
you know.
for me is every day new thing is coming as integrity. Today I am telling you PPF had skipped my mind in February. Today is mid-February, which otherwise goes much earlier. And the first thing I do is payment PPF.
That is not matching with the level of commitment that you have. Supporting people,
My level of integrity is the clearing where people will show up.
supporting people to get into purpose. Now,
My-
this is such a huge task.
It
Such a
is.
huge task that you have to go deeper into finding out which.
Now, can you open up an avenue which is deeper?
Yeah.
I want to
Deeper
know.
is like, for example, this PPF, right? LIC. Now, this level of integrity, you will find, say for example, Thakur village, Kandivali East. Suppose there are 1,000 people living.
And that does have nothing to do. Suppose 1,000, there are millions of them. That is not. What
Can
is
I
the-
complete? Can I complete?
No, come to the bottom line.
I'm coming to the bottom. If 1,000 people are there, 900 of them are already doing this
So,
on time. Let me come. But however, these people will not have the power to support others to get into their purpose. So integrity, when I talk about deeper, it must be much deeper, much, at a different level, where I'm just giving you access because you are capable enough of finding out what deeper means. I can only say these 900 people having that kind of integrity level is not.
it is not the kind of integrity. You didn't get it. I am looking at where I am out integrity. That is not equal to integrity of my life.
You know where you are out integrity?
Huh?
Your out integrity is because you are talking about me and myself.
Fine. I will talk about me and
When
myself.
you are talking about me and myself, you don't have power to support others to be on their purpose.
Listen, I am a student here. I will talk about me and myself. I will not talk
Got
about you
that.
or anybody else.
Have you got the feedback?
Who's me?
My feedback.
Have you got the context from where I am sitting here?
What
Yes,
is your
you
context?
change. My context is my study. I
Pardon?
am here as a student,
We
and
are-
I want to study, and I want to study for myself.
Got that.
It's my.
I have given you feedback. You may take it, you may not take it. But
I listen to it as
the kind of integrity level that you are operating, my feedback, you
fine. I have a very low level integrity level.
you have the choice to leave it. But consider that it has to deepen much deeper than at which you are operating.
Okay.
Thanks. However, my question remains because this is something that you have taught new, assets and liabilities. That is something you have heard today. You have already the idea and concept. But as a student of financial accounting today, what did you, that new thing which opened up, which was not there before? That's what I was saying. That's what I am saying. That's what has happened. Because that, the whole day has gone. And the value that you would have created is you have not created because in the space the authenticity was not there. However, you can create any time. The moment authenticity, you bring in authenticity. Now, let me complete the communication that the intention of having Professor Ramji here is he's the best in India according to me in his line. Whatever few exposure I have of the faculties, I get you as the best. Ranga Sahab is the best in own field. This best is insufficient to transform the planet. I include myself, whatever it is I am doing at whatever level I am doing. This best, and includes every one of you. Yeah. Can I repeat that?
Last one. मुझे बोले आपने
मैंने बोला कि हम में से जितने लोग ऐसे फैकल्टी हैं यहाँ पे, हम लोग अपने अपने लाइन में बेस्ट हैं, लेकिन ये बेस्ट इनसफिशिएंट टू ट्रांसफॉर्म द प्लान, जो गोल है अपना।
एक सेकंड कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं। हाँ, मैं सबसे पहले मिस्टर राम जी को थैंक्स कहना चाहता हूँ, साथ साथ आपको भी थैंक्स करना चाहता हूँ। So that today I have learned these tools. Okay. जिससे कि मैं अपने आप को और अपने कम्युनिटी को फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन में ला सकता हूँ। As a I am marketing guy. Okay. So I am working for our TMBA. So I will share these tools, but with so many persons in the market, so that अपने नेशंस को मैक्सिमम लोगों को मैं इनरोल कर सकूं TMBA के लिए। और पर्सनली तो ट्रांसफॉर्म करती है हमारा TMBA। इन फाइनेंशियल ऑल्सो वी कैन ट्रांसफॉर्म टू पीपल। This tool I will share with so many people in the market.
Which
What I have did, मतलब what I have done.
like 2-3 things?
This financial discipline
Okay.
अभी तक जैसे ये चीज जो है जो आज हमने पढ़ा लर्न किया,
Especially balance sheet.
जनरली फैक्ट्री में कंपनी में यूज की जाती है। जनरली बढ़िया लोग यूज करते हैं और कंपनी में यूज की जाती है। पर्सनल लाइफ में जनरली कोई यूज नहीं करता है। यदि अपने पर्सनल लाइफ में टूल को यूज करें, they can make better this future financial and क्या कहते हैं।
So you are saying you will apply this in your life now?
Yes.
So how it will be different now? जब आप ये जो सीखे आज,
हाँ।
और जैसे कुछ सीखे आपने कि बैलेंस शीट सीखा,
पहले एक्सपेंसेस या इनकम को आप कैसे मतलब
कैटेगराइज
कर सकते हैं, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। उसके बाद फाइनेंशियली आप अपने लाइफ को कैसे डिसिप्लिन में ला सकते हैं। ये लोग यूज नहीं करता पर्सनल लाइफ में।
आप कैसे करेंगे अभी से?
अभी से हम सारा मतलब लिस्टेड करेंगे, अपना एक्सपेंसेस या इनकम जो भी है हम लिस्टेड करेंगे। हम बैलेंस शीट अपना बनाएंगे लाइफ में। ये चीज मैं सेम चीज में शेयर भी करूंगा अदर्स, सो दैट यदि हमारे नेशंस में सारे पीपल इस टूल्स को यूज करना शुरू करें तो इकोनॉमिकली फाइनेंशियली वी कैन मतलब बेटर हो सकते हैं।
तो आप अपने लाइफ में लिस्ट आउट करेंगे?
यस।
और क्या करेंगे?
अदर्स को भी मतलब इनरोल करूंगा।
लिस्ट आउट करें। लिस्ट आउट करने के बाद क्या करेंगे?
उसके बाद इसका मतलब और भी करेंगे कि भाई कहाँ पे आपको बेटर कर सकते हैं, कहाँ पर एक्सपेंसेस कम कर सकते हैं, कहाँ इन्वेस्टमेंट कौन सा मेरा बेटर हो सकता है, जो भी इंडेक्स में कर रखा हूँ या कर रहा हूँ, और पैसे को कहाँ डाल सकता हूँ, इसको निकाल के कैसे बेटर करूँ। फ्यूचर लेसन्स फ्यूचर
Assets will start being built up. Liability comes.
एक्चुअली मेरा कहना ये है कि जनरली लोग पर्सनल लाइफ में स्कूल को यूज नहीं करता है। मिस्टर राम जी से जिस तरह
आप
से
करेंगे आपसे।
हम खुद करेंगे,
अब
हम
दूसरे
दूसरे को
को
ये कहेंगे कि आप
इसको-
यस यू कम टू गो थ्रू टीएमई ये प्रोग्राम,
और आप जब अपने में यूज करेंगे तो आप में क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
डेफिनेटली हमारे मतलब फाइनेंशियल डिसिप्लिन जो है लाइफ में फर्क पड़ेगा।
You will have the abundance.
यस अबंडेंस एलिमेंट मैं तो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन हो जाएगी,
हो जाएगी या हो गई?
हो गई है ये हो गया, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग अहेड टू स्प्रेड दिस मैसेज टू अदर्स।
Got that. So we got a glimpse of, that is what, applying that. जब आप उस cut and dry thing को अपने जीवन में apply कर लेते हैं, it becomes different. It becomes transformation. That is what is the purpose of transformational financial management. Similarly for everyone. Yes.
ये सब चीज टीवी पे बहुत सुना था। एक्चुअली मैं कॉमर्स का स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ, अकाउंट्स का ये सुना था बहुत, एज ए मैनेजर बहुत काम किया हूँ मैंने, लेकिन जिस तरीके से ये डिलीवरी मिस्टर राम जी से मिला है तो नहीं कि वो अपने आप को मतलब इस डिसिप्लिन लाया जाए इमीडिएटली, और कम्युनिटी को भी सजेशन दिया जाए।
Clear. Got it. So what we are talking is, like, this is what we are getting. It's a glimpse of that. We want that for everyone, each of the participants. That is the outcome we are looking. Like, their face is lit up the moment they get it, that it is applied here. How their purpose is fulfilled. And I have, I'm still fathoming, but I can see that the outcome is like 3 days. And let us by the 3rd day, end of it, each of the participants and faculties get the clarity of financial management, the application of that, with whatever input has gone towards fulfilling their purpose. So this is assignment also. Kindly consider जो हम लोगों ने किया उसको assignment रखिए, और कल जब आप आएंगे तो उसको share कीजिए. This is one.
What assignment and share what?
What is your purpose of life? Write down, and then the learning that has gone in this.
Right now we have already.
That is tip of the iceberg. We want whole iceberg to be visible. So like when we apply more thought, because a lot of things has gone. Yesterday's session and today's session, a lot of input has gone. Now applied part of that will make a difference in the purpose of life. Because we want, the intention was that each one of us is getting the financial freedom. And we have the ability to transform others in the area of finance. Minimum. We have our subject is ability to transform others in any areas. But certainly if we apply these learning, we are having that tool. So that is the assignment. More we give thought to it, more things will come out.
बहुत मेन रोल मतलब प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में
Exactly.
So-
Exactly. I tell you, never ever, from the time I am on my purpose of life, never ever I have faced the money problem. Never ever. And in fact, many a times, any people coming in contact, they get abundance, the sense of abundance. That's just by talking, just by having conversation. So financial management, if people get money and abundance, the purpose is fulfilled. And as far as technical things is concerned, certainly you are getting it, and there are many colleges where it is happening, and you will learn that. But here, my expectation, rather, I will drop the word expectation. Ranga Sahib, right? My intention and commitment is that, like being the world-class facilitator, like they don't get anything like this, because it's evolving every day. Like whatever has happened today in the class will never happen again. Like in the second semester when Ramji Sahab will deliver, this will be different. That will be more on applied and inside of their purpose, fulfillment of purpose. The course will start with, okay, tell me what is your purpose of life? Because everybody has done first semester. That is the background. So what is your purpose of life? And everybody is already sitting on their purpose. Also, I will request madam that the distinctions, those landmark syllabus, we have given to everybody, right? It was given on that day in the classroom. Oh, you were not there. No. You have not given? You have that copy here? Where is that material? It was left there itself.
All materials there.
What
Okay.
distinctions are there?
That we have discussed during the program. All the distinctions like, complaint, like choice, empty and meaningless. So all the distinctions, the 16 distinctions that we have discussed. We want that to be, people practicing that. Because I found in the space that, we are not practicing it. So the space, when we practice that, then the space will be different. Then the whole thing will take off from there. Hello? So I am giving the website. So you will see that www.landmarkeducation.com. In the website itself, syllabus is there. But if you need, then you can forward to anybody. उसमें जो भी 16 डिस्टिंक्शन उसको प्रैक्टिस करने का, क्योंकि वो क्लू है, हम लोग डिस्कस कर चुके हैं सारे चीज क्लास में. That is already there. So more we practice, more we are taking off from there. So when we start with what is the purpose of life in the session, all the things that will flow will be inside of, because we know what he is thinking about, what he is thinking about, what is the, and then connecting that financial life.
अब Fountainhead का वेबसाइट दिया किसी सबको. Already that things are there. Fountainhead का वेबसाइट का एड्रेस है ना. Landmark
We acknowledge whoever has done good job. We acknowledge that. We don't want to, take away from, if bulb has been invented by Thomas Edison, we will say go to Thomas Edison, or acknowledge that. So wherever Landmark Education has done good job, we acknowledge that. Go to there, do the program. Yes, we are where we will discuss more about that. There is one competitive space, another is creative space. Be in the creative space, not in competitive space.
In fact, if you rename this, my respect for you would drop. If you use that material and call it
Fountainhead,
my respect would
Yes.
immediately drop.
Yeah. What we are doing? We are not adding value. We are a thief. Let us be blunt. If we say, do
You
that.
are a common thief.
Yeah.
You are doing it.
What is the plagiarism? What is that?
Plagiarism.
Yeah.
No, if somebody has done it, as you rightly said, if he has done it, acknowledge the fact that he has done it. And the biggest admiration you can give somebody is to say, I am adopting it because
Yeah,
it's
because
so
it's the best. Learn from them. Anyway, really, whatever we have learned, Dr. Giri Shankar, many of things, it's written in the book that you have taken at GS Venture. It's written there, at CGS Venture. Like Dr. Giri Shankar, he said in the training program, share the technology. So I said, okay, I will share this with the people. Okay. He said, अरे सबको तू बता दे रहा, आप ही ने तो बताया था sir, share it. ठीक है. Because the more we share, the more the beautiful things, good things are there in the world. More we keep it to me, myself, mera growth and this and that, insecurity and all those things, more we are away from our purpose. Any question? So, madam. So, how much you will give marks to Ramji Sahab out of 10? As far as delivery and content and
I am
everything.
giving 10.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. It's a very good reference.
No, that means there is no room for improvement.
No, he has given you 8.
Right.
And he has given you 9.
Because I was
There is-
always told in this way, no
How
one
much you
should
give?
give 10 out of 10.
No, it
I
is
said
not sure.
8.
Yeah, it is not about sure.
Sure in the sense I was trained that
That is
9 out
different,
of
but
10
it-
implies no,
See, I completely understand where the
we
kids
are all
are-
very happy. Let's not go in the marks.
Yeah.
Let's see.
No, I understand. But the general conclusion you draw is that if you got 10 out of 10, there is no room for improvement.
But they have
So
given you
what-
feedback.
Yes, very
8.
good.
How much you have given? 9,
I have given 10.
8.
10 इसलिए कि मैं क्या 20 साल से इस सब्जेक्ट को मैं सुन रहा हूँ, ठीक है। मैं उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को भी हेड किया हूँ जो 2200 करोड़ जिसकी वैल्यू है, 500 आदमी काम करते हैं, ठीक है। लेकिन आज तक नहीं अंदर गया जो आज गया, लाखों बच्चा साइन कर चुका
For
हूँ,
him it's an aha moment.
ठीक है,
We got that.
ठीक है। मुझे इससे बेटर मुझे नहीं पता क्या होता है, यदि इससे बेटर कुछ मिलेगा हो सकता है मैं एक नंबर काट लूँ।
I tell you what he has delivered you.
No, no, perfectly, perfectly.
What he has delivered you today.
Okay.
Hello. And what he has delivered you is the 10% of his potential.
But 10% is 100% independently because it is already delivered. And you have done a good job.
When you will listen here, so wait for the next, whenever you get opportunity, that will be certainly much better.
No, I don't listen to that much better part of it because when we are saying holistic, it's about not the totality of the subject. It is a subject that we have pondered and delivered upon. I'm not saying we have only touched accounts. We have to go to finance. We have to go to so many other places. Accounts.
Yes.
The fundamental.
The most important thing was the way you have delivered. You are delivering. That is to learn.
Yes.
Is such a subject and the smoothness and effortless with which I was
Yes. Very effortlessly.
I'm primarily guided by two principles which I have told. There is nothing called good students or bad students. There are only good teachers or bad teachers. Okay. I take it very personally. Most things I take personally. My kids tell me that is my problem. That I will handle. One is that. And the second thing is when I am delivering the lectures, I lose myself.
I use what?
I lose myself. I
lose
don't-
Yes, yes.
That's a very good way of delivering, because that's what we discussed, identity and the possibility. So when you are in identity, the delivery gets impacted. When you are in possibility, when you lose yourself, then you are in possibility.
So it does. It has its pitfalls also.
And they are not kids, just to give you feedback. They are not kids, they are giant. Only thing they are not aware of. They are giant. You know the kind of purpose that they have invented? Just only if they are present to it day to day or moment to moment, bloody they are giant. Only thing we have to keep on, telling. अरे तुम्हारा पर्पस क्या है? वो आप देखेंगे कि 4 बार 5 बार हम लोग बोलते हैं.
True. एक और confusion है. You see, you were trying to connect the topic with the purpose in it, which I can understand. But for want of better words, I still repeat, what I am sharing with people is the tools. How it gets connected to their purpose in life is something I am not aware of.
Thanks for asking. So, like Gandhi, his purpose was freedom for India. And he had tools. Tools.
की हाल चल रहे मून का वो एज
Non-violence.
तू फोन करता
Tools.
रोमिंग में फोन
Means. Madhyam. And he achieved his goal. So you have whatever is your knowledge. And this is not only what you are saying in one day. you have sufficient other knowledge also. So whatever is your knowledge, and if the applied part we will say that the wisdom, that is the tools for fulfilling the purpose of so many people. That means you are participant. So these tools, now you are in the finance area for example. Now we discussed that for achieving any goal, you need to pay the price. We discussed time, money, committed action.
In advance.
In full, in advance. Right? Inside of that, most of the people get stuck here.
In
Money. Most of the people get stuck. If you remember, you were not there. In the first semester, my father was there in the class. And he said, I want to make ideal village. But money ke bina kya hoga? And Ranganathan Sahib said that money is, don't get stuck in money. But when I was going through the form, feedback form, still he wrote saying money, but money is the most important. And yesterday he lost some money, and he was very upset. So money is something where people, the transformation is one of the most difficult things.
It brings another aha moment for me, which I said, with your permission, I would like to share. In India, in economics, Madam Musta would have told you that there are 4 factors of production. Basic economics में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. Okay. Now these 4, land, labor, capital, entrepreneurship. This started at all from 1947 only. Mahatma Gandhi was not an economist, but he was a very aware person. He said, land, do we have land? Plenty of land. Labor, oh boy. Okay. Capital, yeah, problem hai. Entrepreneurship skills. Even the Vania himself, he says entrepreneurship skills, there is no shortage in India. Our biggest problem is capital. Okay. Now, this carried on with Nehru adopting his India is a sovereign, socialistic, democratic republic confusion. Okay. Throughout up to 1990, all of us have been brought up with this. Biggest problem is capital. अगर मैं बिजनेसमैन का बच्चा हूँ तो मैं बिजनेस में जा सकता हूँ. अगर मैं सर्विस वाले का बेटा हूँ तो मैं सर्विस ही कर सकता हूँ. I have no other options. Okay. This changed. How did this change? Again through our culture. Because I have not put this because I started believing in God because of the hopelessness of this country. I said only He can help. Nobody can help.
It is running. Nobody knows how is it running.
How it is running.
But somebody is there.
There. And somebody did that, sir. Because one is a family culture. Every bacha in Indian family has to be either a engineer
or a doctor.
आगे कुछ नहीं. Period. Okay. And if you have to be an engineer or a doctor, you have to be good in mathematics. Mathematics is a religion, a mantra. Even 8th standard, my father would say, I want to see a maths paper. I said, stop, give me a break. English, French, social studies, nah. Mathematics paper with rather disastrous consequences for me. But what I am trying to say is every family mathematics is important.
At the age of 3, my father would be driving and he would say, timetable 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4.
It's
Mathematics.
so now what is mathematics? It's abstract logic. It is abstract logic. What is software? It's abstract logic. And there God helped us in 1940. We didn't know about it. He helped. The original inventors of IT, when they started, they said turn of the century तो 70 साल के बाद है, बहुत 60 साल के बाद है, हम तो नहीं रहेंगे. They provided only 6 spaces when they were writing the software for date. 2 for days, 2 for month and 2 for years. By the time 1989 came, all the businesses were in trouble कि बहुत अभी 10 साल में will reach 99. 99 के बाद the computer will go to 0, 0. There will be chaos. You needed millions of engineers who will reprogram all the global computers. हम तैयार. Millions of engineers, extremely smart, unemployed.
48,000 were imported
That was called the Y2K. Look there, in boards. Okay, they all went. Who were the people who went? Smart, bright, young engineers. They went there for the first time, and they did wonderful job because they got total freedom. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. India में you can't do it. You could do there. But the most important lesson they learned, which is most important, entrepreneurship. अगर आप में entrepreneurship skills है तो पैसा की देने वालों की लाइन लगती है भाई साहब. In America,
यही बात हो रही थी.
in America, in Silicon Valley, there is a joke. I have several of my nephews and nieces there. They say if you have a brown ass, they throw dollars at you.
Yeah.
This is the reputation of Indians. Okay. Now when they went, they found, "Ki boss, I can be a middle class person. I can still start business because capital is not." When they came back, that is how post 1995 you will find all IT businesses. कोई business वाले का बच्चा नहीं हो, सब middle class, lower middle class, school teacher के बच्चे, ये वो, they have built, and that is how services took off as a higher percentage of GDP in India. See, if you actually calculate, more than 50% of GDP constituting services means you are an advanced country. And India is freak. 56% of our GDP comes from services and we are not even advanced. Advanced to दूर की बात है, developed country नहीं. We are a developing country. Now these are things which happen primarily because of this. And I am so happy. Okay, I was also one of these guys, a middle class boy who said I will get into business. Because I have entrepreneurship skills, I don't have money. But these are the people who had risk-taking capability and professional knowledge who came out.
And sir, add one more. Between 2003 and 2006, all of them sold the same businesses to the Western countries at a huge price and started something new called non-IT.
No, my point is, आपने जैसे बताया कि capital, I can perfectly understand your dad. He's feeling कि capital is a stumbling block because we are from that generation. हम समझते हैं कि this is the way we are brought up. Okay, but now what you are coming from is no, this is not a limitation. Nothing is a limitation. You are coming from another space. Okay, but this we are not designed or DNA to have this. You have it. You said, I am willing to take this. He does not have it. So I think it is very important that you understand when people say capital or finance is a stumbling block, you're going to understand and perhaps, be in that stage to understand where they are coming from. Because
For generations we are thinking on this.
Inherited conversation.
this change in paradigm has unleashed this country. That is how youngsters say कि I don't want to go and work for somebody, I want to
Many of them.
do something on their own. And that is why my purpose of life, आपने पूछा नहीं, बता रहा हूँ, is to dedicate to employable educational training. Unfortunately, educational training today, most of it is unemployable. So my focus is employable education training. Okay, this is where I am coming from. There is so much talent. If we don't properly use the talent, it is not the kids' fault, it is our fault. That is why I said there are no good students or bad students. There are only good teachers or bad teachers. It is up to us how to, maybe you have to work a little harder, do a little more, but it is possible. And the possibilities are huge. You must have read, the economics of underdevelopment by the Dutch author. He wrote a 74-page book and awarded a PhD. 74 phone free.
What's the name of the book?
The economics of underdevelopment. Okay, he defines vicious circle of poverty. हम सब पढ़ते हैं ना economics में. Vicious circle. What is vicious circle of poverty? India is in a vicious circle of poverty. ये. So half the time you don't understand what they are really talking about. He defines it, and I read it 40 years ago. Okay, and I repeat it now. Okay. He defines vicious circle of poverty as a circular constellation of forces that tend to act and react upon each other in such a way as to keep a poor country in a perpetual state of poverty. 40 years ago I read it and I still remember it was. Means see the level of my, I was majorly impressed. Perpetual vicious circle of poverty is a circular constellation of forces that tend to act and react upon each other in such a way as to keep a poor country in a perpetual state of.
And that vicious circle we have to break.
And his thesis is how to
Break it.
That's what we are. And that requires real effort. You know, like when whatever is the conversation going on in the educational institute, that adds to those forces.
Yesterday we were talking about there was a lot of resistance in the conversation because common accounting and all those things are everywhere in the place. Right? That doesn't make difference because it's happening for years.
Those has to be intercepted, broken. And there when the critical fuel will be imparted into a system. That's where is our intervention.
my own cure, in my own very small limited way, is to create entrepreneurs. Okay, I told you about my Reddy Wala, how I do it. I've created another, I didn't tell you about Lemon Wala. Okay, these are, see, when you go on Mumbai road, you will find fellows selling limbu pani. Okay, now he sells limbu pani, and that after the juice is removed, that is waste. Okay, that is a waste. It is discarded. So I got this fellow who goes around the city collecting that and pays 50 paise per kg of only dry limbu. Okay, he takes it and prepares achar and sells it for 12 rupees a kg to all the Shetty restaurants in the city. अरे शेट्टी रेस्टोरेंट में अचार देता है, आप ये देखते हैं कि उसमें जूस था कि नहीं था, की फर्क पैदा बॉस, नींबू अचार है, नींबू अचार है,
जूस का उसमें फर्क नहीं पड़ता सर, छिलके का ही फर्क पड़ता है.
He has established himself, he is doing very well. The third fellow which I have just started, it is epic. He has completed his master training from Mittal College of Ayurvedic Sciences. Named Mahesh Sawant. I know him. He spent about 3 years running around here and there. I got him hooked up with Just Dial. Okay, and had a conflict failed. And yesterday went and spoke to secretaries of 3 societies where I know senior citizens are staying in my society, and put it on the notice board with his mobile number. Okay. Said all senior citizens, everybody needs a massage at least once in a month. So 30 into 3, 90. Okay. To a certain extent, his income is assured. So my this thing is, I may not be able to make a big difference and all, but as I told you before, if each one of us helps one person,
Then it's done.
See, that is where is the default mode of human being comes. We get into the mode of design and thinking. We resign and think. By default mode, we are resigned and thinking.
शायद मैं इम्पैक्ट कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, मेरा इतना ही होता, 5 आदमी 10 आदमी. That is the default mode.
why would you say that?
It's automatic. that we are always in this space most of the time, unless until we are in a creative space where we create. No, I can make a difference. I will make a difference.
No, my point is creation is creation, size is immediate. That's where I am coming from.
That is all right. That is all right. Now you can take it to the next level.
Yes.
Now suppose you have put a milestone. So for example, I was making reference to 1 people, 10 people, 100 people, 1,000 people. And I would have just continued to do that. But then what I thought is how to have a structure such that the mass transformation can take place. Mass entrepreneurship is possible. So it will be possible when we are in a team. When we are one, then 1 people, 10 people. But if 1,000 people, we need a team. That's where the TSB came into action. Now, so if you think of like entrepreneurship and abundance, so 1, 2, you are in any case you are doing it. But suppose your milestone is, suppose that is your job to do it. Suppose your milestone is I want 1,000 people as an entrepreneur. TSB is the structure. So when we link it,
It definitely becomes much more effective. Yeah, that's true. No, my objection was to resign and simplify.
no, you get this. This is when you get this, then you will be in the creative mode. That okay, am I in the default mode? See, because mostly we human beings are only 2% time, 3% time, 5% time in this space of possibility. Most of the time we are in this. क्या देखो सारा चलिए वो भी ऐसे ही दो
Because this I have to admit, I see only if I see possibility in that person I help.
And at the face of resignation and cynicism, still if you can be the possibility, and that is what is required. You have to generate moment to moment yourself, am I the possibility or am I being my identity? Identity is T1, T2, T3. Or the complaint. That chapter. Half of the world is full of, our world, full of complaints, full of winning formula. So the moment we give it up, the moment we become authentic, possibility arises. So never tolerate inauthenticity. That is the first rule with yourself and with others. Be straight. No more, like, especially because if you want to make a difference to the masses, never tolerate at any cost because that is the poison. Slow poison will kill your possibility and others. It's the wastage of time. We are not, in that business of wasting time. Never compromise on that. Trust your feeling, trust your intuition. Communicate that. Whoever the other person is. And at the same time, being appropriate. In a sense that hurting is not the idea. Yeah?
It's a very thin line.
Thin line.
It's a very thin line.
Very thin line. And that requires your mastery of enrollment, mastery of communication, because whenever you will get into that, if you are not mastering that, you will get into the trap of hurting others or hurting yourself. Both the things will not work.
Few years ago, I was in London. I didn't say thank you. The guy turned around and said, "Don't be rude."
So not saying
I didn't
thank
say
you is being-
thank you. Not saying thank you is being rude. Different.
culture, yes.
I was fed up of thank you in United States. Sorry and thank you. Sorry, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. They don't mean anything. They only say it.
Well, one doesn't know, but if one has to spend a few days there, it's better that you be a Roman and in Rome.
Alright, 2 months. I was fed up of this thing and I was saying thank you, thank you, thank you. It continued 6 months in India. Sorry, thank you.
That pen drive. Yes. You translate it?
Yes.
monetary policy. Let's consider that.
What is this fiscal policy?
Fiscal policy will aim at altering demand.
It's a change.